Ever wondered why brown sugar is brown? Molasses. Brown sugar has molasses added back into it after processing, giving it its color and unique flavor. But that's not all. There's more to this sweetener than meets the eye. Firstly, it's packed with minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, and magnesium thanks to the molasses. It also contains fewer calories compared to white sugar, making it a slightly healthier alternative. Secondly, it's a natural moisturizer. Yes, you heard that right. Brown sugar's granulated particles exfoliate dead surface skin cells, leaving your skin rejuvenated and fresh. Lastly, it's a natural sweetener. Whether it's your morning coffee or your favorite dessert, brown sugar adds a rich, deep, caramel-like flavor that's hard to resist. But remember, moderation is key. It's still sugar after all. Curious to learn more about everyday items with surprising benefits? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more enlightening videos. Until then, here's to a sweeter life with brown sugar.